Welcome to Games for Kids YouTube channel. Welcome to Games for Kids YouTube channel.
Diego's Hippopotamus Adventure! Click play to start. Hola, soy Diego. Today we're in the grasslands of Africa with Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus's best buddy Oxpecker is in trouble, and we need your help. Oxpecker went to get Hippopotamus some of his favorite water plants from the river, but hasn't come back yet. Where is he? Let's use our special camera Click to see where Oxpecker is. Say click. Take a pic. Oh no! Oxpecker is in trouble! That pipe is pulling all the water out of the river. And it's pulling in Oxpecker too. We have to get to Oxpecker before the pipe pulls him in. Let's zoom out to find the fastest way to Oxpecker. Say zoom! To get to Oxpecker, we need to cross these 3 parts of the river. We need your help to get across the river. Will you help? Fantastico! Come on, amigos. We've got to go rescue Oxpecker. Use your arrow keys to move Hippopotamus through the river. The right and left arrow keys will move Hippopotamus forward and backward. The up and down arrow keys will move him up and down. Be sure to watch out for logs and boulders. Hippopotamus can use his massive weight to break through piles of wood and grass. Press the space bar to break through them. Are you ready? Let's go! You're doing great! ¡Excelente! Yeah! Great job! Muy bien! We made it across the first part of the river. Let's keep going so we can get to Oxpecker. Next. Uh-oh, I see crocodiles in the river. Hippopotamuses can open their mouths really wide to scare off the crocodiles. Press the spacebar to open Hippopotamus's mouth. Are you ready? Let's go! ¡Perfecto! Great job! Watch out for the logs! Watch out for the logs! Fantastico! Watch out for the crop! You're doing great! Watch out for the logs! Great job! ¡Excelente! Let's hurry! We only have one more part of the river to cross. This is the last bend in the river that Hippopotamus has to cross. There are piles of wood and crocodiles in this part of the river. Remember to use your space bar to get past them. Are you ready? Let's go! Watch out for the logs! Remember to use your space bar to... Muy bien! ¡Excelente! Keep going! Great job! Perfecto! Now we can go save Oxpecker and reunite Hippopotamus with his best buddy. Click on Oxpecker so we can save him. Woohoo! We saved Oxpecker and reunited him with his best buddy, Hippopotamus. He's so happy to see his symbiotic friend, Hippopotamus. Oxpecker and Hippopotamus are symbiotic friends because Oxpecker eats the bugs off of Hippopotamus's back. And that keeps him clean. That's good for both of them. Click Print to print a Best Buddy coloring scene. You can color Best Buddies Oxpecker and Hippopotamus. And there's a place to add yourself and your Best Buddy too. When you're done, you'll have a picture for your rescue wall. Fantastico!